Hello, my name is Alan with National Public Seating. Today we're going to do a demonstration video on the operations of the MTFB12, which is our mobile table fixed bench unit. Operating in the table is fairly easy and standard. Reaching in, you want to grab the storage lock handle, lifting it up slightly so the table pops open a little bit. While you're grabbing the top of the benches, with a little push, open the table and glide it down until it gets to the down lock bar. In this position, this is our TP position, which is used for ease of cleaning, that you can reach underneath it. To lower the table to the ground, slightly lift up the table, release the down lock bar, guide the table down to the ground, ensuring that the down lock bar is in the lock position. To open the table, slightly press down on the tops while lifting the down lock bar. Grab one of the benches, lift it up into the TP position. This you can use for cleaning. If you need to move the table and store it, grab the benches, guide the table up with your hands on the tops. Gently close the table and make sure that the storage latch is engaged. Thank you for joining us on this demo. I look forward to seeing you next time.